Configuring Lync Access Edge on vserv4, Stage 5. From my local machine that has a USB connection, I've logged into Lync as the administrator. I'm going to take a USB cable and plug it between my computer and a Polycom CX700. The process is essentially the same if you have a Polycom CX600. If your devices are used, you should do a reset before following the following procedure. For a CX600, you want to unplug the power, wait 10 seconds, and while holding star and pound down, plug the power back in. A prompt will pop up asking you if you want to accept the data clear. For a CX700, there is a pinhole on the back of the device near the USB port. While the device is powered up, you use a paperclip and hit that button, and the device will be reset. So, assuming a phone is clean, we're now going to plug in a USB cable. As soon as we do that, it asks us for our account name. We're going to type in our password and click OK. It'll take around 5 seconds, and then the phone's going to ask you for a PIN and ask you to set a time zone. After you do those things, the phone is ready to be used. I'm now going to minimize Lync, and we're going to go through the process of how to update the phones. We do that from the server. There's a link in the install guide on where to download these updates from. They're on Microsoft's site. So we're going to do an update for a CX600 and then for the CX700. So we click the executable, hit run, pick your language, accept the terms and click next. Save the file to the root of the C drive. We're going to run a management shell, so it'll be easier if it's there. Click next and click finish. Navigating to the C drive, you'll see that it has created a UC updates file here. I'm going to close out here, pull up the Lync management shell. The install guide has a commandlet we're going to run. You see that it references that cab file we just extracted, and it references the server's name, and we're doing the import CS device update. So hit enter. It takes about 10 seconds and then it comes back. So now that one's ready. Now we're going to do the CX700. Run. Accept. Change the location to the C drive. This is going to overwrite the previous file. Click next and click finish. We're now going to run the same command we ran before because we overwrite. There we go. So last step, we've got to the Lync control panel and publish these. Go to Clients, Device Update, and the version we installed is pending, so we're going to highlight all of these with Shift and down arrow. And then under the Action menu, we're going to do Approve. Now it's got the approved version listed. The phones will update themselves on a given interval. You can also pull the power, wait 10 seconds, and plug them in. It usually takes around 5 minutes for the update to be grabbed from the server, but the phone will do the update, reboot, and then if you check system information, you'll notice that the version matches up to the version in this column.